Hi there. Welcome to my Excel tutorial channel. I hope you will find my Excel tutorial clip is helpful. Please feel free to click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AutoFill and FlashFill on Excel. In this Excel tip, we'll show you a quick and easy way to use the AutoFill feature and FlashFill feature in Excel to save you time. AutoFill and FlashFill are a very useful Excel feature. It allows you to create entire columns or rows of data which are based on the values from other cells. In other words, Excel compares the selected data and tries to guess the next values that will be inserted. Now, let's get started. Let's say you want to have a series of repetitive things like dates. You are in for a long day if you are manually type in the date. Instead, begin the series and move the cursor on the screen to the lower right part of the last cell. In this example, January 1st, 2022. When it turns into a plus sign, click and drag down to select all the cells you need to fill. They'll magically fill using the pattern you started. It can also go up a column, or left or right on a row. Voila! You have successfully auto-filled the dates. Now, for Excel FlashFill. FlashFill is a close relative of AutoFill, but it performs a slightly different function. Rather than continuing a series of data, it can source information from other cells and present it with your desired formatting. For example, you have last name, first name and middle name all from a separate cell, but you want to combine onto a single row of full name. FlashFill will smartly fill a column based on the pattern of data it sees in the first column. For example, we start typing Taylor K. Elizabeth, the first full name format that you want them to all look like. By the second cell, Excel should recognize the pattern and display what it thinks you want. Go to Data, then FlashFill. Just hit Enter. Voila! You have successfully FlashFilled a full name. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in my next clip.